Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space City EDC. Coming with you with a video on the Victorinox MiniChamp. This is the version 1. This is the original version. They have what they call the MiniChamp 2, or just now they call it the MiniChamp, which has a combination screwdriver and bottle cap lifter and a ink pen instead of the toothpick. But this was the original version, and this one was discontinued in 1994. But we're going to go over it, and it's very similar to the modern version, minus the ink pen and the combination tool. So as you can see, we have a pair of scissors. We have they call it the orange peeler, but I prefer to think of it as a package opener. It's a great little package opener. They have the Wharncliffe blade here. You have your file right there. You have the main blade. Then you have what they call the cuticle pusher. And here you have a ruler, small ruler with a small flat tip, which can also be used for small Phillips screwdrivers. And then let's close some of these up. You have, of course, you have your toothpick right here, and you're going to have a set of tweezers. Now, the specs on this little guy is the closed length is 2.28, or more familiar with the 58 millimeter. The width is 0.8, just a little bit over half an inch. And your thickness is 0.6. You got a blade length of 1.5 inches. Small blade. There's no locking tools on this, and but it's very lightweight. The weight is only 1.6 ounces, and compared to, say, your 58 millimeter standard, which this is the classic, you can see the difference in the width here. This is a 1 layer, and this is going to be 3 layers. So now, in comparison, it's a nice comparison to, let's say, a Wave. See the difference there, or even a Leatherman Juice. They're smaller, but it's meant to be a keychain tool, so it's going to be small and lightweight. These are real popular. There's been a lot of videos done on them. I don't know how many. There's, this, like I said, is the older model. But some of my favorite things about it is this little tool here is really great, man. It's a really nice little package opener. Of course, you got the scissors, which for any Victorinox are good. These are just smaller. I mean, in comparison to your full-size 91 millimeter Swiss Champ, you got where you have a full-size set of scissors. But they're okay for small tasks, small threads, things of that nature. Cutting fingernails, they work good. You know, you've got a now this tool here, there's a ruler. I mean, I don't know. They could have maybe done something else with this. This little pry bar here is okay for small tasks. Little flat tip. This tool, the cuticle pusher, I'm not really good. Sure, I've never used it, so I can't say if it's useful or not. If somebody knows, you know, please post something in the comments you might use it for. We all know what it could be used for. We won't get into that. Of course, your blade. This is a nice little cutting blade for packages and whatnot. Or, you know, then you have your main blade. And the file is useful for your fingernail. This is a fingernail file. I mean, that's pretty much what it's going to be used for. But, you know, there's a lot of different versions of this. There's the MiniChamp 2, which, like I said, comes with a combination tool, screwdriver, and bottle cap lifter. This isn't the MiniChamp. This is the Midnight Manager, but this is a combination tool that they added when they changed it in 1994. And they also added a pen similar to this, which took the place of the toothpick. But anyway, which added quite a bit of thickness to it. You can see this is just a 2-layer on the Midnight Manager, and it's already thicker than that one. But you know, it's lightweight, it's small, it's easy on your keychain. Like I said, some of the cons, maybe the cuticle pusher, really haven't found much of a use for that. Some of the tools are a little hard to use when it's on the keychain. So you might be better off with a little clip like I got on this Midnight Manager, which sits in your pocket. And the tools are small. I mean, you know, in comparison to a full-size Victorinox or a Leatherman, you got small tools, but it's meant for lightweight stuff. So I have seen these advertised for around $50, $60. And you can get them cheaper than that. But, you know, you just have to shop around, maybe go used on the used market. But it's a good little keychain tool. And I just wanted to show you this version of it. This is the early version. And, you know, I like it. I like to, you know, there's a couple things I change on it, but overall, you know, it's a very useful and useful little tool to have on you. So, anyway, as always, if you have one and you use one, drop a comment. If you like them or what you dislike about them, let us know. And if you like this kind of video, give it a like and subscribe if you want to. And I come out with these videos about every week. So, hope you guys are having a good day. And once again, this is the Victorinox MiniChamp version 1. Catch you later.